So look at this 610 bobcat. She's a leaker. So we're going to see if it starts. It's been sitting here since April or May, whenever last time I did a video. That's whenever it was the last one. I can't remember.
I wonder which one.
But yeah, she's seen better days, you can see. Seen better days. I'm surprised the battery was up that far. It sat there since April. Look at that piece of junk over there. Wow, wow, wow. Yep, I don't know what they're doing over there, but they're making a hell of a noise. Alright, well, let's go get some gals. I got some at the other place.